Hi there, my name is Raymond. If you wanna make $5 at each time for making easy templates with no effort, here is yours. So say hi to our today's site, Crello.com. If you want to know what Crello is a really fantastic Canva alternative where you can make professional posts for promoting your products and stores and websites in your different social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, and so on. And honestly, I would like to say Crello has a great content of templates that you can use for making outstanding posts for promoting your products and in your promotional campaigns. So here's the questions: how we can make money from Crello.com. So there are many ways to make money from Crello. The first way is by creating professional posts for promoting your products, whether they are affiliate products or print on demand products. And of course, it is an indirect way for making money from Crello. The second way, by becoming an affiliate for Crello, and you will get paid 20% commission if any customer referred by your link has upgraded his plan to premium one. Okay, and the third way, it is a fantastic today's topic, is that becoming Crello contributor. Crello recently has launched the contribution programs, which means you can make professional templates that can be used by any Crello user. So how is that, and how can we earn, and how can we apply for this program and earn money from it? That's all what we will talk about in this video, so follow me in the next steps. First of all, you have to sign up for free for Crello.com, and you will find the link for free registration below in the description box, and you will find also the link that directs you to the contribution programs of Crello. Okay, create, contribute, and earn. Create and contribute new templates for Crello to earn money and produce infinite design opportunities for other creators. Okay, so let's see how does it work. Create an account for free, as we said before, review the guidelines, and create and submit. Just contribute and earn $5 for each template you make. Okay, why contribute to Crello? Easy design and earn money. Okay, you get paid up to $5 for each contribution, which means for each contribution, regardless the Crello visitor use your template or not, you will get paid $5 for each approved template. So join the design community in Facebook group, okay, like this, Crello Contributors Creative Hub, okay, to keep up to date with product news from the Crello team, like occasions, events, and trends, and so on. So here technical details for becoming a Crello contributor, like only English text, which means any language other than English, like Arabic, Portuguese, Spanish, they are not welcomed here in the contribution program. Okay, use only Crello content. Of course, it's crucial to only use images and fonts, animations, and other design objects from Crello's media library. Start with a fixed format, contribute without limits, and join and become contributor. So click over this blue box. Okay, so fill in this form with your details like name and your email. Okay, and what is the type of your Crello account? Yes, starter, and send this request. So they email you with your approval, and you will be asked to join their Facebook group. Okay, to engage, to be up to date with the new trends and the events for making your templates. Afterwards, after your approval in Crello contribution program, you are ready for making money from Crello.com. Just going to your Crello account, okay, like that, and you can make any templates for any social media posts, like Instagram post, like that. Okay, we are going to make any template. Okay, so in the left panel you can use any photos, any animations, any objects, any text to make your favorite templates. Okay, just we finished this template, just download it. Okay, like in PNG format, download. Okay, awesome. Come back to Crello homepage. Okay, like that. go to your recent designs, okay, view all. So if you are a Crello contributor, just in your designs or your templates, in these three dots, you will find the option of submit for review. Submit for review, which means you can submit your design or your template for Crello contributions. And if it is approved, you will get paid $5 at once. Okay. And there is a key question comes up: how we can withdraw money from Crello? This is a good question because Crello has a minimum payout that is $50. So when you achieve at least the bottom line of this minimum payout, just email them at the email address shown on the screen and tell them that you are a Crello contributor with this email and you have achieved $50 or higher as earnings of approved templates, and leave your Skrill account or PayPal email. So we reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you next video. Goodbye.